Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here in the kitchen today with 3 awesome new recipes. Now, most of you have heard Meredith talk about the 5 supreme superfoods. Well, we are using one of those supreme superfoods in every single one of our recipes today, and that is avocado, one of my favorites. Now, the first recipe is the easiest one, the simplest one to make. The second one includes something that you guys ask for a lot, which is a healthy bread substitution. And the third one is a chocolate dessert, all with avocado in it. Amazing, I can't wait, so let's get started. Ta-da! Alrighty, for our first recipe, we have a creamy avocado smoothie, all right? So go ahead and grab your blender or your cup blender. I love this. Everyone asks me why or which blender I use. I use a NutriBullet, and I love that it comes with cups that you blend in here and you go ahead and grab it and go. Less dishes, less time. I love my NutriBullet, but other options are great as well. So, 2 handfuls of fresh spinach. If you do frozen spinach, it'll be 1 cup of frozen spinach. Go ahead, stuff that in there. We have half a cup of frozen pineapple. Very good, in there. 1 banana. I'm using a frozen banana because I like the consistency to be a little bit thicker, but you can also use a fresh banana. So 1 banana. Ooh, I hope I have enough room. These cups do come in different sizes though, so there's little cups and big cups. All right, so I think I have the medium cup right now. All right, we have, this is 3 tablespoons of lime juice, all right? And that is about 1.5 limes squeezed, all right? So I only used 1 lime because my limes were super juicy today. If your limes aren't that juicy, you might have to use 2 limes, all right? So 1.5 is the basis right there. Boom, going in, adds a little acidity, very nice. Then we have 1 cup of non-dairy milk. I'm using almond milk. I also love to use oat milk. That goes in there. All right, 1 teaspoon of honey. That is optional, just like a nice little sweetener. Honey does have a lot of benefits. It's antibacterial, it's antifungal, it's anti-inflammatory, it has healing properties. So it's not just sugar, it's not just a sweetener. There are beautiful benefits to it. And I just love it. All right, and then we have our nice ripe avocado. I just usually just squeeze it right in there, but I don't like to waste, so I have a spoon to help me scrape the edges. Usually squeezing it does a really, really good job, but to make sure I get everything, I have a spoon. Boom, grab everything. Okay, whoa, making a mess. Doesn't make a mess, it ain't good, right? We love a messy kitchen. All right, the other one. Very good. And over here, my last ingredient. It is optional. I have vanilla protein powder. Now, if you want to make this smoothie a meal, add the protein. If you don't have protein in this smoothie, then it would be more of a snack, all right? It's super, super important to have enough protein in every single meal. Now, if you don't have protein powder, what can you use instead? You can use Greek yogurt, chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, all right? Those are my favorite things to put in a smoothie if you don't have this protein powder. All right, go ahead and add everything. Oh my gosh, we are pushing it to the top here. In she goes, close her up, and time to blend. Alrighty, blend until all nice and smooth. Oh my gosh, such a beautiful color. There's a reason this is called a creamy avocado smoothie, because that's exactly what it is. Oh, it looks so good. I definitely put my straw in. the wrong way, that's okay. And there we have it. Look at it, so beautiful, so creamy. So delicious, wow. These ingredients are to die for. And a lot of you ask me, what protein do I use? I use the Vega Sport Protein. Usually protein powders are 20 grams per scoop, but this is 30 grams per scoop, and that's why I like this one. And it tastes really, really good. So I knew you guys were gonna ask, just thought I'd beat you to the punch. All right, so that's our first recipe. Off to a great start. Let's go to recipe number 2. Alrighty, next we are making avocado toast. Do you see, I don't have any bread here. Instead, I have sweet potatoes. Now this is a recipe that Mare showed me. So instead of bread, we are actually gonna be using sweet potato, and we're warming it up, we're making it crunchy. It's gonna be great. So you're gonna wanna cut your sweet potato, get a really sharp knife, be careful, and cut your sweet potato toast about 1/4 inch, all right? We don't want it too thin, you don't want it too flimsy like this one. That first one I did here, not good. So I did another one, a little bit thicker, and that's gonna be able to keep its crunch, because when you cook it, it gets a little bit soft, but you want it to keep its crunch, all right? So 1/4 inch, all right, cut, very good. One more slice. I like 2 slices of this. I already have my one perfect one. Be careful, cut it, very good. Slow and steady wins the race. All right, and if you're gonna be putting this in a toaster, it's better in a toaster. You're just gonna toast it for 5 minutes. I'm gonna be using an air fryer, and for the air fryer, you're gonna do 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, all right? And you're gonna wanna switch, you're gonna flip it halfway through. So at this 7.5 minutes mark, you're gonna flip it. So 400 for 15 minutes. All right, gonna let that preheat. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in while they preheat, because you could do it for 15 to 20 minutes, so the preheat's just gonna add a little extra, it's okay. And then you're gonna prepare your avocados the way you like it on avocado toast. Some people like it sliced, some people like it mashed. I like mashed on my avocado toast. So you're gonna go ahead and prepare it the way you want, and with whatever other toppings you'd like. You could put arugula on top, you could put some spinach on top, and then maybe a little ground black pepper. You could do some crushed red pepper, lime juice, lemon juice, any of those healthy topping options, go for it, all right? So I have some tomatoes here, so I'm gonna put some tomatoes on top. I always remove the seeds from the tomatoes that I eat, because tomato seeds are actually not good for your digestion. Fun fact. I did put some olive oil on my sweet potato, and it only needed 10 minutes instead of 15. All air fryers and ovens are different. Some are stronger than others, and it came out perfect. I did have a little nibble, and I love it. So 10 minutes in the air fryer with some oil on it did the trick. Now the fun part, we get to decorate it, all right? Put your guacamole or your avocado slices on your slice, all right? And then whatever else you want on top of there. I diced up my tomatoes. All right, a little black pepper, whatever else you want on top. Ooh, beautiful. A little too much pepper, there we go. Spread it around, and there we have it. Oh my goodness, so yummy, so beautiful. All right, so delicious. That's recipe number 2. Now, time for dessert. Alrighty, all set and excited for dessert. We are making chocolate avocado pudding. That's right, super, super simple. We have 2 ripe avocados pitted and scooped into your blender. I did it already to spare you guys watching me make a mess. All right, 1/2 cup of non-dairy milk. I'm using almond milk. All right, right in there. We have a 1/3 cup of cacao powder, not cocoa, cacao. Cacao is less processed, it's more natural, usually has no sugar, all right? So unsweetened cacao powder. I like getting organic. I like organic everything. All right. And then a pinch of cinnamon or more, depends how much you like. A little pinch there. Ooh, ooh, come on. Oh, there we go. And 3 teaspoons of honey. Alrighty. 1, bear with me here. 2, and 3. Very good. Now we're going to blend all the ingredients until it's nice and smooth and creamy, and then all you're gonna do is put it in the refrigerator until it's chilled. As simple as that. Ingredients, blend, refrigerator, chilled, which is usually about 30 minutes. Then it's ready to enjoy. So let's do that, and I'll see you for the final product. Alrighty, 30 minutes have gone by. Let's check it out. I don't know about you, but I have a sweet tooth, so this is awesome. Before I put it in the fridge, I did a little taste test and it was a little bit too bitter for me, so I added a little bit more honey. Feel free to play with that a little bit. If you like a little bit more bitter, a little bit sweeter, taste it first before the finished, fridge step. All right. Oh my goodness. It's exactly like chocolate pudding. This is crazy. I have to thank Mare for this one. Wow. Alrighty, and there we have it. 3 delicious recipes with one of our supreme superfoods in each recipe, avocados. These are delicious, super easy to make, and awesome for losing weight, staying healthy, your metabolism, hormones, all that good stuff. I hope you try it. Let me know in the comments below if you do, which one's your favorite, which one you're most excited about. And before we sign off, I'm gonna play a little game, all right? There's been something a little bit different about me in recent videos. Do you know what it is? Let me know if you think you do in the comments below. And then besides that, go ahead, try these recipes, check out our channel, check out these videos, workouts, meditations, stretches, recipes, we have it all. And I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.